Hi, James from Evolution Packaging here. I just thought I'd do a quick video letting you know of the changes that are happening to the website, the brand changes, and the reasons behind it. Over the last couple of years, as you know, the Nature Pack brand has been our key focus, and obviously the website's been branded as Nature Pack. And the reason obviously we moved to the Nature Pack brand is for the compostable packaging, because at the time, and we still do, we truly believe that the compostable packaging is the best way to go when it comes to the food packaging that obviously we do on a daily basis. You know, the cups and sandwich wedges and salad boxes and that sort of thing. The reason behind that is obviously compostable packaging is made from renewable resources, so it isn't oil based, and you know, when it comes to the end of its life, ideally it can then get composted down. Now we know there is some issues with the industrial compostable items, which is why we're trying to push as many of the products of Nature Pack home compostable as such. You'll see there are more and more products on our website that are becoming home compostable. You know, the main reason for that is that at least your customer, the end user as such, will know what to do with the packaging once they're done with it. Especially if it gets heavily contaminated with foodstuffs like oils and that sort of thing, so that, you know, they can then compost it at home. We know that industrial composting is actually quite scarce around the country at the moment. I mean, we're lucky here in that we have a facility just a few miles down the road, but that isn't the case all around the country. So we know that it can be difficult to get it composted. And I'll be honest with you, certainly when it comes to like the rigid PLA salad boxes and such like, the recyclers don't like recycling that PLA either, because it gets mixed in with the other sort of the other plastics that are about. So but obviously, you know, the compostable items are made from renewable resources. So the idea is, over the next few weeks and months as such, you'll notice that the brand on the website changes back to Evolution Packaging Products. Now Evolution is the parent company behind the Nature Pack brand, and has been the driving force behind it for, you know, the last couple of years that we've been doing the Nature Pack. Now Evolution, you know, we've been in the packaging industry for a long time, and we make sure that we keep ourselves educated with the new technologies that are about, and obviously with the new developments, new technologies comes new packaging, and also developments with waste management and the best way to process you know, the packaging waste that gets generated. So moving on that, there is a clear movement that we believe is potentially the right movement towards using packaging that is made from post-consumer recycled content. Now that post-consumer bit is quite important. It means that it's been used, you know, in the general public as such. It's then been thrown away into the recycling. The recyclers have got it, you know, got the material, converted it back into a usable material, and then it's been manufactured back into the item that we're selling. For instance, clear salad boxes and that sort of thing. This, and we're being very specific on the type of products that we're going to be selling, and the brand we're going to be doing this under is a brand called Cyclopack. It'll be the blue logos on the website. Now, like I say, we're being very specific on this, in that the Cyclopack brand will only sell product that is made from post-consumer recycled material, or made from other bio-based materials, like paper, for instance, or board. And one of the other key elements is that the packaging that we sell under Cyclopack is made from one material. If it's made from one material, the recyclers are a lot more happy to recycle it. It becomes a lot more efficient, And also we're only using rPET at the moment, which is PET, which has already been recycled. PET is the most readily recyclable plastic that is in the UK. So the reason we're doing this is to make the decision easier for the end user as to what to do with the packaging at the end of its life. You know, the rPET and obviously paper and board, very easily recyclable, can be recycled at curbside in every council that we believe, you know, and that's why you're going to start to see some of these rPET plastic items appear on the website. Like I say, we've thought long and hard about this, and we believe that this is an option that is a very viable option, because it's not using virgin material, so it's not using any more oils or anything like that, and the recycling process has become very efficient. So it's actually more efficient to use the recycled material than it is to use virgin material. The premise behind this also is to increase the demand for recycled material, so that recyclers are more willing to collect it, because, to be honest, it will make the material worth more. So we feel if we do this and increase the demand for recycled material by selling and supplying food packaging that is made from recycled material, it's going to reduce the amount of plastic that ends up in landfill. And throughout Evolution packaging, this is our main aim, is to reduce any waste that ends up in landfill, be that through composting, be that through recycling, and who knows what else in the future. We are also developing a range of reusable items, but that will come, you know, further on down the line as such. At the moment, we feel as though these are the best ways to go. You know, NaturePack is going to be concentrating on home compostable, and then you'll see Cyclopack, like I say, concentrating on supplying packaging that is made from post-consumer recycled material, can be very easily recycled again. So yeah, that's what's going to be going on. There's new social channels that are going to be popping up. So they'll obviously, if we still at the NaturePack one, there'll be Cyclopack, and there'll be Evolution packaging as well. So please feel free to join those social channels, keep up to date. Of course, you know, we'd be more than happy to hear your feedback on the thoughts of our progress and the additions we're making to the Evolution family as such. You know, we're always looking at new technologies. We're always going out, educating ourselves, trying to find out what's the best solution, not necessarily what's the most popular solution, because that isn't always correct, or isn't always right, especially when it comes down to sort of media and such like. You know, we take our time to educate ourselves to make sure that what we're selling is actually the best thing for yourselves and for the environment. So like I say, we've thought long and hard about this. It'd be interesting to hear your thoughts on it. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. The website address is naturepack.co.uk. It is also going to change to evolutionpackaging.co.uk. To once they'll take you through to the same website. There's lots of learn elements on the website, lots of blogs. So please feel free to go over there, have a browse. And like I say, if you have any questions at all, if you want to talk it over with us, we're more than happy to give you any advice you need. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you have a good day. Working from home today, which is lovely, nice and sunny outside. So yeah, I hope you have a good day, and we'll speak soon. Thanks a lot. Cheers, bye.